Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Dogecoin's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right in here, and the idea was that because this seems a lot like an impulse, and also in this phase down we took all these lows. Okay, we're gonna say from this point moving forward that this move up is an ABC or maybe a WXY, generally some sort of a correction and not an impulse. And it meant to me that our move down from here or maybe a bit higher in Doge is going to continue, and in it most likely we are going to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 14.3 cents. So what happened? We did get our move down starting from this point. Now, can we argue the final low is already in? Maybe, maybe not. Let's just go around here. You see, we can have a correction structure on the upside in form of, let's say so far, an ABC running flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move up into a correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this low and then another move on the upside into our C leg. And this is important, in this phase we are not going to take the height of our A leg. If we take it, that pattern is called an ABC expanded flat. Now for our sub waves, you probably know it if you are a regular viewer of the main channel. ABC up into A, ABC, or let's say WXY down, not really that important, into B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure up into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and count some wave. Okay, here's the deal. If I'm able to find in this phase down a complete 5 wave impulsive structure, then okay, at that point I'm able to be bullish with a lot of confidence. Having said that, let's go on some lower time frames, maybe 15-minute charts, see what is happening. So we said there's a very good chance this is 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave 3 correction for 4, another move down into wave 5 to about here, followed by that we are probably having an A, B, C on the upside. And then I was saying, if we get something like this, maybe a very strong move down, correction up, and then another move down, that could be an optimistic sign. But as you can see, this definitely didn't happen, and instead we just got a very strong move down. And I want to say there is a chance that in Dogecoin we may have a starting from this point an ABC in form of a running flat. This can be A, B, C up into A, followed by that, let's just do this. Okay, this can be an A, B, C structure down, and then from here we may have, yeah, sure, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside into the C leg of our running flat. And if this scenario is happening, what can be next for Dogecoin? Unfortunately, some more moves on the downside. Now, does this scenario have to happen? No. There is no certainty in any market. We are here only talking about the probabilities, but here's the situation. Based on what I'm seeing in Dogecoin in here, I don't really have a whole lot of confidence about this move on the upside. And what could change my mind? I would tell you a very slow and choppy move on the downside, which in it between our pullbacks, we are able to constantly identify overlapping of the waves. That could be a good sign, suggesting maybe some sort of a low, or who knows, potentially even our final low in Dogecoin is then right in here. For now, I think we should focus on a move down in Doge, but that move by itself is not really that important. What really matters is the shape of that move. If we get a slow and choppy move down, fair enough, that could be a good sign. If we get a very strong move down, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without a whole lot of overlapping of the waves, that's a bad sign, suggesting probably our move down is not over yet. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Dogecoin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.